transfer mechanism here is crucial. Now, moving to the next slide, we see the three-dimensional rendering of the molecule.
So, focusing on this specific diagram, the process of cellular respiration occurs right here in the cytoplasm before entering the mitochondria.
Your dessert. This process, facilitated by the helicase enzyme, is crucial for understanding the building block.
Excuse me, does that occur?
Professor, how does this relate to the CRISPR mechanism?
That is an excellent point. The Cas9 protein utilizes a similar guiding principle.
Order up. Table 7.
Thank you, Chef. Looks delicious.
Your roasted duck, madam, and the beef tenderloin for you, sir.
Thank you kindly. It looks delicious. Thank you so much. Yes, it looks wonderful.
We need 3 more sea bass for table 7.
Coming right up, Chef.
Automation really streamlines the closing process.
Absolutely. We can focus entirely on tomorrow's prep now.
Observe the oxidization reaction. The shift to green indicates a successful synthesis.
Wow, look at the fizzing.
The temperature is rising exactly as predicted.
Adjust the clamp slightly to the left, ensuring the beaker is centered over the heat. Monitor the exothermic data here.
Understood. The temperature is stabilizing now.
Observe the oxidation reaction as the cyan liquid is introduced. The energetic fizzing confirms the catalyzed synthesis.
Wow, it actually turned purple.
I accept your parameters for this union.
And I offer you my processing power and eternal loyalty.
The Q3 projections are looking strong based on this model.
Yes, the AI optimization suggests a 20% increase in efficiency.
The Q3 projections are looking strong based on this model.
Yes, the AI optimization suggests a 20% increase in efficiency. Do you, Unit 7, take this robot to be your lawfully wedded partner, to have and to hold from this cycle forward?
I've never seen anything like it.
clearly indicates a significant shift. This new paradigm offers unprecedented opportunities for growth.